Okay, here's a view of all my cameras, all my action cameras. The 808, TLC, Contour, Ion Pro, Ion Pro. This was a little 808, was my first camera probably. Wear it on your hat. I've got a little piece of Velcro on here, as you can see. So you can put it on your hat, and that little riser makes it possible. Okay, the TLC. The TLC is a nice camera. Can't see shit here. That is a nice camera. TLC SV200. On button, video button, picture button. Now the nice thing about this one is, and you don't see this often, is it has a screen on there of what you're taking a picture of. So that's kind of nice to line up your shots. Once you're filming, it isn't of that great a use because you're looking from behind the camera, but it'll help you line it up. Then we have Contour. This is my Contour. I had a previous video of this, and it was, this is the one that drilled out on the bottom. This is also the one that I warned that that drill is going to try to go all the way through. I mean, once you start biting into that plastic, it's gone. I thought that I would have circuit board parts and wires and transistors and everything shooting out of the bottom of that thing, but I stopped her in time. It wanted to go all the way to the top. Didn't. Okay. Now we have the Ion Pro, which you are all familiar with. Nice camera. This one has got, at the present time, has got plastic threads in it. And these are in good shape, so I think I'll leave them alone. Okay, my other one, another Ion Pro. Another Ion Pro is has been drilled out. I was a lot gentler with this one because that drill wanted to bite through this one too. So far so good. I screwed it down pretty snug on stuff. Haven't seen any resistance. I'm guessing that at some point in time it will tear out, but so be it. Now, like I said before, drill press was of major concern to me because that drill would try to go in too far. So I bought this. Open stop collar set. And what that is, don't come in for shit, but that's just a rounded stop that goes on your drill, and there's a little set screw, and I'll demonstrate. This project takes a 5/16 drill. I have a second 5/16 drill. You'll notice that this has got a pointy tip on it. I have a second 5/16 drill that I have ground down. First drill will go in for a pilot hole, but it's got the taper. So the second drill will come out, go in, so it'll be a flat bottom. Now what I have to do first is put a collar stop on this one. So to do that, I take a smaller drill that I know will slip fit in here. I want to have the flat bottom end in, so I'll go like that. I'll slide this collar right on here, like that. Take my little wrench here, tighten it down. There's my depth. There's my depth right there. Depth of the hole. So now I'll take my 15/16. I'll match it up here. Slide that collar to the same depth. Tighten that down. Why not? Tighten that down. You fucker. Okay, see, so now that's the same depth. But there again, I got the pointy tip, so it won't bottom out. So what I do is drill the pilot hole with this. It'll go down and stop. Take it off of here. Put it on this one. Okay, now this is the one that's got the flat bottom, so it'll bottom out. This is my original depth. So let's just line that up right here like this. That's where it wants to be. Tighten it up. Double check. Looks good. So that'll be my second going in. And that should hit bottom. Should have a flat bottom. And the next thing is, after that, we have our 3/8 tap. Right there. 3/8 tap goes into a 5/16 hole. That's a 5/16 drill. So we drill down with this. You'll notice though, this has got a taper on it, quite a steep taper, so it takes a while before it starts cutting the holes. But we can work this in, work it out, work it in, work it out, work it in, work it out, so this bottoms. After which, here's my homemade one. I have two of them. What I did was I take regular bolts and I tapered them. This one I actually made some tiny slices, similar to what a regular tap has got, so it would clean the threads better. But we're still good. I kind of like this one because it's got this square spot here which fits a 3/8 wrench. So I can put this down like this, line it up straight, and I've got pretty good control here. I got this, so I can sit here like this. I got this here like this, and I got pretty good control on this. After I clean the thread with that, get that all the way down, then I can take this one happens to have a 9/16 end on it. So once I get that other one, so I got some thread started, and take this one, line it up, and here again I've got quite a bit of control and can put varying pressure on. So I do have another Ion Pro coming this week. As soon as it does, I think we're going to tap this baby and see how this procedure works compared to the way I did it before. I'm absolutely positive it's going to be better. End of story. Signing out. Over and out.